Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. See question number 4 of 6C. Here he is asking us that they have given us a value ax square minus b whole under root is equal to c, and find the value of x. We have to find the value of x when a is equal to 2, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5. He has given all the values of a, b and c, this a, this b and this c, and he is asking us we have to find the value of x in the under root sign. Let us solve that. First, writing data. See here, I have written the data here. Now we have to find the value of x, and you know that we can make it subject for x, as well as we can solve it simply by putting the value. There are two methods to solve it. For example, first let me solve by putting the value. If I put the value of a is equal to 2, so write 2 here in the place of a, and x square will remain same, minus in the b we will write c 7. The value of b is 7, so I have written here 7, and for c the value of c is 5 here, so we will write 5 instead of c. I have substituted the values of a, b and c, and then there is under root sign, and I have written that. Now you know that we have to remove under root sign. So to remove under root sign, we have to take square on both sides. To remove this under root sign, I have taken square on both sides. Cancel out this square by square root, and remaining terms will be written. I have written the remaining terms, and 5 square is equal to 25. 5 5s are 25. Now leave this 2x square here, and minus 7 will become plus 7 on the other side. Now 25 plus 7 is equal to 32, and x square should remain here, and 2 is multiplied by x, it will be divided on the other side, so I have divided it on the other side. After division, 32 is divided by 2, answer is 16 here, so x square is equal to 16. We have to remove the square of x, so we will take under root on both sides, also that of square 16. After taking under root, you know that x square will be cancelled out by the under root, and 16 after taking under root it will become plus minus 4. So our answer is plus minus 4. So this is the first method to solve this question. You can solve it simply by making x as subject and then by putting the values. In the second method, you can see that I have written the question. This was our question, and now I am making x as subject. So make first x as subject. To make it, we have to take square on both sides. Take square on both sides, under root will be removed, and x square minus b is equal to c square here. Now take minus b on the other side, then there will be c square plus b here. Now you know that a is being multiplied on this side, it will be divided on the other side, so divide c square plus b by a, and to remove square of x, we have to take square root on both the side. So take square root c square b over a. I have taken square root on both sides. Now this square can be cancelled by the square root, and x is equal to c square plus b over A here, and now you can put the value of A, B and C from this, and you can find the answer of x by putting the value of C is equal to 5 and it is square, so 5 square will become 25, or you can write 5 first square, then value of B is 7 here, over value of A is 2 here, under root. Now x is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 and plus 7 over 2 whole under root. Now you know that 25 plus 7 is equal to 32 over 2, 32 over 2 under root, and 32 when divided by 2, answer is 16. Write here 16 under root. When under root of 16 is taken, the answer is plus minus 4. So again the answer is same. It means that you can follow any method whatever you like. Dear students, see question number 5. Given that A is equal to 3B plus C over B minus C whole under root. This is our equation and we have to find the value of A when B is 7 and C is 2. Firstly, we have to find the value of A as the A is subject here, and by putting the value of B 7 and C 2. In the second part of 5, question number 5, find the value of C. We have to find the value of this C when A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 9. We see here that A is already subject and A part can be solved easily, but for B part we have to make C as subject, or can put the value without making C as subject and then find out the value. So B has two methods, while A part can be solved singly by the same method by putting the values. See here I have written the data, and now for first part A part, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 2. Simply put the values here. Find the value of A, so A will be written as such, and put the value of B. B is 7, write in smaller bracket, and plus C, and C is here 2, write 2, and over B is again 7, write 7, minus C is 2 and 2 here. So I have substituted the values of B and C for first part, A part. Now solve it further. 3 7 are 21 and plus 2 here, while 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 here. Now you know that 21 plus 2 is equal to 23 and 5 is over there. This is the answer of A. For first part we have solved it. Now for second part, B part, to solve it for this part, to find the value of C, put A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 9. In A write 4 and for B write 9, and C will be written as such, B 9 and C will be written as such. Without making C as subject, you can put the values and can find the answer. Now you know that we have to remove this under root sign. To remove this under root sign, we have to take square root on both sides, and here 3 9s are 27 plus c over 9 minus c, this under root, and to remove this under root I am taking square. This square can cancel this under root sign, and 4 square is equal to 16. Here will be only 27 plus c over 9 minus c. Now you know that this 9 minus c is being divided here. It will be multiplied on the other side. So multiply it on the other side. 16 multiplied by 9 minus c, 27 plus c. Now it has become our linear equation, and we know that how can we solve linear equation. First remove this bracket. 16 9s are, multiply this 16 9, 6 9s are 54, 4 here, 5 carry, 9 1s are 9, and 5 14. So 1 4 4. Then 16 multiplied by c is equal to 16c. 27 plus c here. Now write the same terms at the same side. Minus 16c and minus c. This plus c when carried on the other side, it will become minus c, and 27 plus 144 will become minus 144 on the other side, and 27 will remain same. Now minus 16 and minus 1 will become minus 17 because both signs are negative. So we will add these signs, and after adding these, minus 17 is our answer. We will write same sign here. Due to same sign I have added these. 144 minus 27, what will be the answer? When you subtract 144 by 27, you know that from 14 remove 7, answer is 7. From here I have taken a carry and 14 here. From this 14 remove 7, 7, then 3 remove 2, answer 1, and this one will be written as such. But it carries negative sign and it is bigger term, so I should also write here negative sign. I have subtracted these because both have opposite sign. This is of plus and this is of minus, and opposite sign are always subtracted, so I have subtracted these. And after subtraction you will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus term, minus 144. Now you can remove these minus by cancelling these with each other. This minus sign can be cancelled out by this minus sign, and c will remain here, 117 over 17 here. Find this answer in the form of whole number, because 117 is greater than 17, numerator is greater than denominator. So divide this numerator by the denominator so that we can find our answer in whole number. And 17, I multiply this 17, if I multiply this 17 by 4 or by 5, 5 sevens are 35, and 3 here, 5 ones are 5 and 3 8, 85. Now multiply 17 by 6, 6 sevens are 42, 2 here, 4 carry, and 6 ones are 6 and 4, 6 and 4 makes 10, 102 here, 102 is closest to 117, so write here 102 and it is by 6, so write 6 here. 7 minus 2, answer is 5, and 1 here 15 is remainder. Write it in the form of whole number, 6 first and 15 here, and 17 by which it is divided will be written here. Dear student, I have solved B part simply by putting the values, and now I am going to solve it by second method. First make the subject whatever you like, you can use any method. First make the subject, you will write this term because you want to find the value of C here, so you will make C as subject of this formula. So try to make C as subject of this formula. For this you have to remove this under root sign. To remove this under root sign, you will take square on both sides, or you will square it on both sides. Now cancel this square to square root, and a square is equal to 3b plus c over b minus c here. Now you have to find the value of c, or you have to make c as subject. This denominator is dividing here, it will be multiplied on the other side. You will write here b minus c I have to taken square on both sides, and after taking square, this is the answer. Now I have taken b minus c on the other side, so it has become b minus c is multiplied by a square, and here is remain only 3b plus c. Now multiply this a square. When a square is multiplied, it will become a square b minus a square c when a is multiplied by c, and on the other side 3b plus c. Now take c on the same side. You should have to write c on the same side so that you can make it subject. Minus a square c, this plus c will become minus c on this side, and 3b minus a square b here. I have taken this plus a square b on the other side, it has become minus a square b, and this plus c has been taken on this side and it has become minus c. Now you can take c as common from both the terms, so take c as common from here. After taking c as common, you know that there will remain only minus a square, and due to this minus sign you will not change the sign because this minus sign is not out of bracket, and from a square I have taken c as common, only minus a square will remain here, and from minus c I have taken c as common, and 1 will be here, is equal to 3b minus a square b. Now this whole term minus a square minus 1 is being multiplied by c, it will be divided on the other side. See here, I have written the same step here. This whole term is being multiplied by c, it will be divided on the other side. So divide this term on the other side. Divide this by minus a square minus 1 is equal to c. Now c has become our subject, and by putting the values we can find the value of c. What is the value of b? The value of b was 9. So write 9 here. What is the value of a? The value of a is 4. Write 4 and square here, and then the value of b, that is 9. And in the denominator minus, what is the value of a? That is 4. 4 square, because it is a square, then minus 1 here. Now solve it further. 3 7s are 20, 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27 minus 4 square is equal to 16 into 9, and minus 4 square is equal to 16. You will take square of 4, it will become 16, and minus 1 here. And further calculation, 27 minus 16 multiplied by 9. You have find out the values of 16 multiplied by 9, that was 144. 27 minus 144, and over there is minus 16, and minus 1 makes minus 17. Minus 17, because both have negative sign, and we will add the negative sign and we will write the negative sign there. Now subtract 144 by 27, and 144 minus 27, we have already subtracted it, that was 117. And now you can write here 117 over minus 17, because here minus is of greater sign, of greater term, both have opposite sign. This is of plus sign and this is of minus sign, so I have subtracted, and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is 144. So minus sign will be here, because bigger term is 144 and that carries negative sign. Now you can cancel out these both the sign with each other, and after cancellation 117 over 17 here, which is the same as we have already found. And after taking dividing it and taking its answer into whole number, the answer will be 6 whole 15 over 17. This is the same answer as we have calculated with the help of first method. So whatever the method you adopt, your answer will remain same, and you will adopt the same method which you find easy for you. See question number 6. Its A part is we have to solve these equations, and you can see that both the sides have single denominator, and if the denominator are single, you can cross multiply these. Only you can cross multiply two fractions which have equal sign in between and have single denominator. Here a plus 2 is a single denominator of a, and 5 is a single denominator of 3. So cross multiply it. You will multiply 5 by a here multiply by 5, and this 3 will be multiplied by this number a plus 2. 5a is equal to 3a plus 3 2s are 6. Now take a on the same side. 5a, this 3a will become minus 3a on the other side, and 6 will remain here. 5a subtracted by minus 3a, answer is 2a, and 6 here. Now you should keep a here and divide this 6 by this 2, because it is being multiplied on this side, it will be divided on the other side. After division, answer is 3. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 3 is our answer. Now you see here again both the fraction have single denominator, and both have equal sign in between, so we will cross multiply. b minus 1 will be multiplied by 1 into b minus 1, and b minus 2 will be multiplied by this 2, so b minus 2 will be written here. You can cross multiply like this and like this. Now 1b and 1 1s are 1, 2b and 2 2s are 4. Now b on same sign, on same side, plus 2b will become minus 2b, and minus 4 minus 1 will become plus 1 here. When minus 2b is removed by 1b, the answer will be minus b here, because minus is of bigger term. And here you will subtract 1 from 4, answer is 3, and you will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus, and we have subtracted due to opposite sign. Now you can cancel these minus sign with each other, so b is 3. Now see here, both the fraction have single denominator, but they don't have equal sign in between. There is a negative sign in between the two fraction, and due to negative sign we always take LCM and then solve, but here there is equal sign, so for an easy method you can take this fraction that is negative to other side, so that it may become positive. So keep this fraction on the same side and take the other fraction, this one, on the other side. This negative sign will change into positive sign due to carrying as a whole on the other side. I have taken as whole this fraction on the other side, therefore this sign will change, and we will not change this sign because it is in the complex. Now you can see here that both the terms have single denominator and also have equal sign in between, so we can cross multiply these. I am writing them here. To cross multiply 4 into c plus 2, this 4 will be multiplied by this one, c plus 2, and equal sign, and the 3 will be multiplied by this, 3 will be multiplied by this one, c plus 3. It is our cross multiplication. 4c, 4 2s are 8, 3c, 3 3s are 9. Now 4c minus 3c is equal to 9, plus 8 will become minus 8 on the other side, 1. 4 when subtracted by 3, answer is 1. No need to write 1c or c here. See this d part, it is same as c part was, so you will write this fraction on this side, and minus this whole fraction is that of minus, and it will be carried on the other side, it will become positive. This minus sign has changed into positive sign, and this term is carried on the other side. Now both the fraction have single denominator, because 5 has single denominator d plus 4 and 2 has single denominator d minus 2. Both the fraction have single denominator and they also have equal sign in between, so we can cross multiply these. So divide multiply d minus 2 by 5 into d minus 2, and this 2 will be multiplied by d plus 4. Now 5d minus 10, 5 2s are 10, and 2d plus 8, 4 2s are 8. Now 5d minus 2d, this 2d will be carried on this side, it will become minus, and 8 here, and minus 10 will become plus 10 on the other side. Now 5 when subtracted by 2, answer is 3d, and 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. Now you see that 3 is multiplied here, it will be divided on the other side, divide it on the other side, and 18 when divided by 3, 3 6 are 18, 6 here. Sorry dear, some video was missed, and when there was a single denominator, I cross multiplied these, I carried this negative to other side, and it will become single denominator on both side of the equation. So cross multiply these, I cross multiply these, d minus 2 multiplied by 5, 5 into d minus 2, and d plus 4 multiplied by 2, it will become 2 into d plus 4. So after multiplication, 5d minus 10 and 2d plus 10. Now we will write both the d on the same side, 5d minus 2d, this 2d become minus 2d here. Now 8 plus 10, 18, and 3d is equal to 18 here. 3 will be divided on the other side, 18 when divided by 3, answer is 6 here. Dear students, see here, here are two denominator on this side of the equal sign, and here is only single term. So we have to make it single denominator, then we can solve it, or there is also another method, but let us make single denominator first. Try this method first. Now you know that how can we make single denominator. We will take LCM of f and 3f. Take the LCM 3f and f, it will be divided by 3. Here will be only f and f. Then you should divide by f 1 and 1. F when multiplied by 3, it will become 3f. So LCM is equal to 3f. Write LCM here, 3f when divided by f, answer will be 3, and 3 when multiplied by 6, it will become 18. 3 6 are 18 here. Now 3f when divided by 3f, answer is 1, and 1 multiplied by 10, answer is 10 here, is equal to 2. Now it has become single denominator, 3f is single denominator, and this term can be solved further. 18 minus 10, answer is 8. 8 over 3f is equal to 2. Now 3f is a single denominator, it is dividing here, it will be multiplied on the other side. So multiply it on the other side. 2 when multiplied by 3f, it will become 6f and is equal to 8. Now 6 is being multiplied on this side, it will be divided on the other side. So divide 8 by 6, answer is f here. Cancel out if possible. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. 4 over 3 is equal to f. You know that 4 is a greater number than 3. So we will find its division to make a whole number. 4 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3. This one first, this one here, and 3 here. So this is answer in whole number. Dear student, you can solve this E part with another method as well. For second method, you know that you should make it fraction as well. 6 over f minus 10 over 3f is equal to 2 over 1. Now you can multiply this 1 with whole of this term, and this f and 3f which has LCM 3f with this number, or simply you can take LCM of this all of 3 fraction. I have taken LCM all of these 3 fraction, that was 3f. So multiply these whole fraction with 3f. Multiply by 3f, 6 over f, multiply by 3f minus 10 over 3f, again multiply by 3f and 2 multiplied by 3f. I have multiplied this and this by 3f. 3f was LCM of these all the fractions. So after multiplying, you can cancel out this f by this f and this 3f by this 3f, and it will remain same. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18, minus 10 here, and this 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6f. Now 18 subtracted by 10, answer is equal to 8, and this 6 is being multiplied, it will be divided on the other side. F will remain here, and when you will cancel out this, it will become 4 over 3. Now after taking whole in the form of whole number, it will become 1 whole 1 over 3. That was our answer, like this. So you can solve it by this method as well. See here in F part there are 3 fractions here and 1 term is here, and both have different denominators, and there are 3 denominators here. So we have to make it single denominator, or we have to find its LCM and then multiply the whole fractions with that LCM. Let us try second method. You can adopt both the methods, first method as well as second method, but I am going to solve it with the help of second method. Let us see 6h this denominator, 7h second denominator, and 14h third denominator, and here will be only 1. No need to write 1 to find the LCM because 1 doesn't matter. Now you can divide these by 2. 6 when divided by 2, answer is 3h. 7h will remain same, and 14 when divided by 2, answer is 7. Now divide by h. 3 will remain here, 7 will remain here, and 7 will remain here. H will be removed by dividing by h. Now divide it by 3. 3 will be removed, 7 will remain as such. Now divide by 7. 1 1 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. 42 multiplied by h is equal to 42h. So our LCM is 42h. How? 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. 42 multiplied by h is equal to 42h. This is our LCM. Multiply whole the fractions, whole of the equation by 42h. Now write here 42h multiply by 5 over 6h plus 42h multiply by 6 over 7h minus 42h multiply by 9 over 14h is equal to 4 into 42h. 4 into 42h is here. Now cancel out h by h, and 6 1s are 6, 6 7s are 42. H by h can be cancelled, and 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. And here h by h, 14 1s are 14, and 14 3s are 42, and it will remain same. Now 7 5s are 35. 35 here, 7 5s are 35 here, plus 6 6s are 36 here, minus 3 7s are 3 9s are 27 here, is equal to 4 multiplied by 42. Answer is 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. 168 8h here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. 16 1 6 8 8 here. Now you see here both these are of same sign, they will be added, and after adding 35 and 36 answer will be 71 minus 27 is equal to 168h. Now 71 when subtracted by 27, 71 minus 27, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2, because 1 was carried here, it will become 11. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 44 is here. 44 is equal to 168h. Now 168 is multiplied by h, it will be divided on the other side. I am going to solve it here. 44 divided by 168 is equal to h here, because h will remain on the same side and 168 will be divided on the other side. So I have divided it on the other side. Now cancel out if possible. We can cancel out by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and 4 4s are 16, and 4 2s are 8. Now we can cancel out further. So write this answer, 11 over 42 is the answer of h. If you want to solve it by first method, you can try it and tell me in the comments. Dear students, see here, this denominator is complex to some extent. First make simple to this denominator, and it will become simple after taking 2 as common. K plus 1 will remain inside the bracket after taking 2 as common is equal to 5. Now take LCM of these two denominators, that is k plus 1 is common in both and 2 will be along the LCM, so its LCM will become 2 into k plus 1. K plus 1 common and 2 is not common, so this is our LCM. Multiply whole of these fraction with LCM, multiply 2 into k plus 1 and 3 over k plus 1 here. Then again write this LCM here, 2 into k plus 1 and 1 over 2 into k plus 1 here is equal to 5. I have multiplied 2 into k plus 1 with this fraction and with this fraction as well. Now we have to cancel out this. This k plus 1 can be cancelled out by this one, and this whole can be cancelled out by this whole one. Now here is 2 and 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 here, minus this one here, and sorry, we have to also multiply this 2 into k plus 1 here. So after cancellation, 2 3s are 6 and 1 1s are 1, and there will be 5 2s are 10, then k plus 1 here. Now 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, k 10 multiply by k is equal to 10k, and 10 1s are 10 here. Now take plus 10 here, it will become minus 10. 5 minus 10 is equal to 10k. Now subtract minus 10 when subtracted by 5, answer will be 5 here, and due to bigger sign minus will be written here, and 10k. Now 10 is multiplied by k, it will be divided on the other side. Divided on the other side. Now cancel out if possible. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, minus 1 over 2 is equal to k. If there is any confusion, you can ask me. There are a lot of methods to solve these questions, but you should follow whatever you like and what the method is simple. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.